All right. All good, guys?
Yes, we are good to go. Coach
All
Muhammad,
right.
yes, you're doing this.
Awesome. So
My
awesome. Well,
brother is also joining.
yeah. Guys, do it. All right.
Hi, my name is Sebastian.
Sebastian, nice to meet you. Let's get to know each other. Huh?
Coach Shavi,
Yes, yes.
Coach Shavi, Igor, I believe Igor knows how to do this well.
Okay, Igor,
Yes.
can you send
Yeah,
Ray? Can you send
yeah.
Ray a 10-minute
Ray
game?
should share his
Okay.
username.
I'm asking if Sebastian wants to play anti-chess.
Oh, Sebastian, do you want to play anti-chess? Do you know how to play? You like anti-chess? Do it.
Oh,
So the thing is, what we can do though is we can give them remote control and send the link. Oh, look, he
in the
just joined.
chat.
He just joined. He just joined. Ernest
Oh,
just joined.
If you could give me a minute, I have created a team for us for World Chess Unity on eChess.
Mhm.
If you join the team, we can create a tournament for all the players.
And you can choose which one that you want to play.
Mommy.
Okay. So guys, let's try it. Let's try click on a link and join the tournament. This way we can all kind of play together. Thank you guys for your patience.
I guess if
Can you please share the link again? I didn't hear.
Yeah, tournament
Sure.
link.
So Coach Mohammed is going to share the link again here. There it is. Do you guys see it?
Yes.
Yay.
okay.
Reed, can you
Yes,
join? Ray, can you join? Sihan, can you join?
kindly join the link in the chat.
To join the team, and then you go to back to WC1, and then you join the tournament.
Yeah, yeah, true. Guys,
Join
the
the
only
team.
It's gonna be we are going to play it together.
you just got a draw?
Yeah, because he doesn't.
My game got shabby.
Yes.
Me and Sihan's game just got switched off.
How did that game go? Did you feel pretty good in it? And
Okay, thanks a lot, Coach Shavi, for the amazing time to
Coach
play
Shavi?
together.
a place to play, and everybody who joined this tournament now has everybody's username so that we can play against each other, let's just say. We're gonna work on this for you guys, and it's gonna be the same way we left it last time. So thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Have an amazing rest of your weekend. I'm gonna stay here, but if you guys want to go, you guys can go.
Everyone here, it was really, really an amazing event today. Thanks all for joining, and we look forward to growing this community. Next time, have more students and more fun to share with you. Thank you so much, and have an amazing rest of your day. Goodbye.